Hello friends, once again welcome to our channel Share Market Front. So today I am coming with the result that yesterday I have suggested one stocks, that was Bank Nifty, and I personally performed a trade in that particular stock Bank Nifty. In my last video I suggested Bank Nifty, you can check my last video. So I have taken trade on Bank Nifty and also get a profit of 5,902 rupees. This was a screen recording I have taken in the morning time itself. Even if I hold that Bank Nifty for some more time today, even if I hold it up to evening, I could have get 15,000. So it is not fair. Actually, too much of greedy people will also get punished in the share market. So please throw your greedy. So I just took my profit and I just exited the trade. That much of profit was just more than enough for me. So, and also you can see in my RBL my profit is also running well, and in the evening time it was just above 80,000. So I am planning to quit my RBL trade tomorrow morning. So actually I have already got RBL, I have already got more than 7% return. So even if I am waiting for some more time, it was not good. Too much of greediness is also not good. Last Wednesday, you can see here, last Wednesday I suggested RBL in my last Wednesday's video. You can see that I have strongly suggested that for purchasing of RBL, that I told in that video it was a golden opportunity for all you people to enter into RBL. You can check that video and ensure. So tomorrow morning I will most probably I will quit from RBL trade. So after that, what was my planning? Actually after that I will not enter into any trade quickly. So I will just watch. Two stocks are in my radar. One is Infratel and one is Tata Motors. These were the two stocks which are in my radar. So I will just observe how it is performing. Even if it is performing well, I will definitely enter in these trades in the coming days. Before entering into any trade, I will definitely come with the video. So there is nothing to hide here. Even if I am doing any kind of trade, I will definitely tell here and I will personally come with the result. You can see it in my RBL also. I have suggested, and I think almost all of the people, those who are entered along with me, they are also gained a good amount of profit. I think so. So actually one of my friend asked me, it was a genuine question. One of my friend asked me that why you are investing in one stock, why you are investing full amount in one stock, is it good or not? Actually it was one of a good question. Actually according to Warren Buffett, I think you people were heard about Warren Buffett. So please he told that don't store all your belongings in one basket, put your belongings in different basket. So it is good suggestion. This was actually one of the good suggestion. So next time onwards I will definitely consider this. Last time I took a RBL with whole amount, it was because it was available at a cheap amount. I think actually there is nothing wrong with the fundamentals of RBL at that time. It was just only a knee jerk happened in the market and the market just went down. That time I took RBL, so that I am having that much of confidence on RBL. That was the reason behind that I took RBL with the whole amount. So next time onwards I will definitely look into it. It was one of a good suggestion given by one of my friends. So please suggesting me, even if there is any mistake from my side, please give suggestions in comment box so that I can also rectify myself. So another thing I just want to tell you is that many friends were asking about pharma sectors. So I just want to tell you something regarding pharma sector. Actually pharma sectors are already overpriced. You think so? You can check the graph of pharma sectors. Actually it was overpriced because before 5 to 6 months I took RO Pharma around 200 300 range. So now it is available at 800 rupees. So it's already overpriced. But due to the uncertainty of COVID, these pharma sectors were rising. So I personally does not trade in this kind of pharma sectors nowadays, because it is almost overpriced and it will rise only on the basis of news. So I can give one more tips regarding pharma stocks is that whenever rupee strengthens with dollar, whenever rupee strengthens with dollar, the pharma stocks will go down. This was one of the tips I just want to suggest today to you people. You can just observe this. Whenever rupee strengthens against dollar, it will affect the exporting and it will affect the income of pharma sector. So definitely the pharma sector will come down. This was one of the tips I just want to suggest you people. So I just want to tell you one more thing. Don't be greedy. Even if you are getting 7 to 12% from a particular stock, just exit. Don't be so greedy. This was a problem of share market. I will tell you one more thing, that even if you purchase one stock for 180 and the present rate is 190, that time you will have greedy. You feel greedy. You thought that it will go further upside and you will get more profit. When you purchase it for 180 and it goes to 170, that time you feel fear of losing money. Fear of losing money. That's that time. That was the problem in share market. So whenever you are getting a good income, good profit from the stock that you have taken, please exit from the position. So we will come with the next video next time. So thank you. Thanks for all. Thanks for watching. Please share, please subscribe. So I will be always here for your service. See you next time. Thank you all.